Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to do another Fundations lesson, so let's get started. I have here Baby Echo. Say good morning, Baby Echo. And Baby Echo has 4 things for us to do today. We're going to do our drill sounds warm-up, word play. I have 2 new trick words. Those are sight words. And then we're going to do some dictation, so make sure that you have a piece of paper and a pencil, a dry erase board and dry erase marker ready, or something to write on and something to write with. You can pause if you need a minute to go get those materials. Awesome, let's get started with our drill sounds warm-up. I have our Fundations cards. I, itch, it. Z, zebra, z. S, H, ship, sh. U, up, W, H, whistle, w. Y, yellow, y. E, ed, eh. Remember, it's important not to say eh, because E doesn't say eh, E says eh. T, H, thumb, th. C, H, chin, ch. X, fox, x. A, apple, ah. O, octopus, aw. W, wind, w. I'm going to stop there with these cards. And now let's go to our chart. I'm just going to make it so there's no glare for you guys. It's kind of hard without the windows. That's good. Okay. A, apple, ah. E, ed, eh. I, itch, I. K, kite, k. O, octopus, aw. R, rat, r. U, up, W, wind, w. Now the digraphs. S, H, ship, sh. C, H, chin, ch. T, H, thumb, th. W, H, whistle, w. Very good. Next up is word play. I'm going to write some words. We're going to tap them out and sound them out together. V, a, n. V, an. Van, van. The word is van, like my mom drives a van. Id, k, id, kid. You are a kid. Ought, ought, cot. Sometimes we sleep on a cot, which is like a makeshift bed on the floor. It, it, pit. The word is pit. A pit is like a deep hole. You could fall down into a pit. Please don't do that, you'll get hurt. Last one. Ox, ox, fox. A fox is a small animal with reddish brownish fur. Okay, next thing is trick words. Before we start our trick words, I want to review the ones we've already taught and learned. Trick words are just sight words. You got to pay attention because sometimes you can sound them out, but often you can't, especially with only the letter rolls we know now. T-O-2. You can repeat this after me. A-N-D, and. H-A-V-E, have. D-O, do. A. You spell it like you say it. I. You spell it like you say it. And it's always, 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 always uppercase if it's a word. A-R-E-R. T-H-E, the. Y-O-U, T-H-E-Y, they. There's that T-H digraph, T-H thumb, they. Not a word. Okay, we have two new ones today. And these ones are pretty cool because they actually rhyme. The words are as and has. So let's all go A-S, as. Has. H-A-S, has. If you would like, you can go write these down a couple times so that you remember them in your brain. I'm going to keep going with a little activity, including some of your names. I have two sentences on my board. We're going to read them and we're going to look for the trick word and then we're going to circle it. If you're at home, you can take a minute to copy these or you can use your finger to air circle them. Okay. Elijah is as tall as Neve. I'm going to read that one more time and listen for some of our new trick words. As or has. And I can put this right here to remind us. Elijah is as tall as Neve. Did you hear any of those trick words? I heard as, and I heard it more than one time. I'm going to circle as. Elijah is as. A-S, as. Tall as Neve. Oh, there's as again. 2 times in one sentence. A-S, as. Go ahead and read this and circle out A-S, as. Okay, our next sentence has the other trick word, has. Michaela has 2 siblings. Did you hear it? I'll read it again. Michaela has 2 siblings. Remember, siblings are brothers and sisters. What was the trick word there? If you said has, you're correct. Circle has. H-A-S, has. So our 2 new trick words, as, has. They rhyme and they both end in A-S. Later, there's another sight word that we'll learn that ends in A-S but does not rhyme with those 2. Okay. Our last step for today is to do our dictation. That's when I say a simple word and you write it on your boards, your paper, you can skywrite it, whatever you have to make sure you can follow along. Take a minute and go get your stuff ready if you need to. I'm going to throw in some trick words today, words you can't tap out. All right, let's get started with one of the words we practiced earlier. Let's tap and spell fox. Ready? Ox. Ox. Now let's spell it. F-O-O-X. Your turn. Write it, spell it, and then we'll check it. Check your work. If you had F-O-X, you're correct. Erase your boards. And your next word is kid. Like you are a kid. Let's tap it out first. K-I-D. Now let's spell it. K-I-D. Now it's your turn. Tap and spell kid. I'll write it and then you can check your work. Check your work. K-I-D, kid. Okay, next one. It's one of our new words. You cannot tap it out. As. I'll write it so you can check it. If you wrote as A-S, you did a good job. Change as to has. All you have to do is add an H at the beginning. H-A-S, has, versus A-S, as. Your next word is box. B-ox. Now tap and spell. B-B-O-X. X. B-ox. Your turn. Check your work. If you wrote B-O-X for box, you are correct. All right, your last one I'm not going to help you with. I want to see what you can do by yourself. The word is cop. Tap it, tap and spell, and then write it. I'll write it too so you can check. Cop. Okay, if you wrote k, C-O-P, k-op, cop, for cop, you did a good job. Thank you for joining me today for our Fundations lesson. Wash your hands, stay safe, be careful, and I hope you had fun. Thanks, everybody. Bye.